Do you think this is a game? No, this is a simple draggable view in Jetpack Compose. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to make a view draggable in Jetpack Compose. So let's get started. So I have already created a new project. Let me put a box. I will change the background color. Let me put another box which will be draggable. I will give it a color and size so that we can understand its movement. Let's say 100 dp. Let's put a text inside the box. Put the text in the center. Let's see. So right now our box is not draggable. I will make it draggable. Before that, let me give a radius. So to make this box or any composable a draggable view, we have to follow the following steps. First of all, we have to put a pointer input modifier. It will need a key. I will just put unit. So here we have to detect the drag gesture. So we have a utility function here. And here we can use the drag amount, how much the view is already dragged. And to consume this and to remake it draggable, we have to use the offset as well, the offset draggable. it will need an x and y offset. So for that, let me create two variables for offset x and offset y. To make this working, you have to import something like this one. You have to import these two things to make this syntax working, otherwise it will show error. And also we need the density of the screen. For that, I will create a variable for density, and you can fetch the density by LocalDensity.current. Now let's put the offset. So the offset part is done. So we have to modify the offset when the user will drag the view. So offset x plus equals to drag amount dot x. Similarly, offset y plus equals to drag amount dot y. Let's see. So you can see our composable is right now draggable. This way we can make any composable draggable. So first of all, you have to put a pointer input modifier inside this detect drag gesture. Inside this, you have to consume all the changes and update the offset x and offset y accordingly. And not only this, you have to use this offset x and offset y inside the offset modifier, so that the offset will really work and seems that the view is moving. So this way we can make any viewer composable draggable. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.